Hello everyone, this is a breakdown for the set of questions for quiz 2 in session 3. And so it's kind of similar to quiz 1. In the first two questions, I have you calculate some data based upon the information in this table. So what I'm having you do in the question 1 is calculate the index value based upon this pricing data. Now, the step-by-step process in calculating an index based upon a basket of goods can be found in slides. Let me double check what slides they are in my. Yeah, the answers can be found in slides 45 through 47 in my PowerPoint on calculating an index from this pricing data. So if you review those slides, you should be able to answer these questions no problem. No, well, question 1 is just the index value. Question 2 requires you to take the index data and then calculate the inflation rate. And again, the slides 45 through 47 go through that step-by-step process. Any questions, you just email me. And again, here I'm asking you to interpret the information that you calculated in question number 2 from table 2.3 here. So questions 1 through 3 basically have to do with this information that you see here. Question number 4 actually has you plot the information data that you calculated here. So remember, step 1 is to calculate the index value. Step 2 is to calculate the inflation rate based upon that index value. And that's what you're going to be. I gave you this little blank graph to see if you can plot it visually. But then after you do that, you should be able to tell me what the annual inflation rate is for 1992. And so that's going to come from the index value from 1991 to 1992. The index value for those 2 years, you could calculate the inflation rate for 1992. Now, for question number 5, that's a pretty straightforward question. I'm asking you to interpret the different, or say something about the different types of inflation rates that are out there. There's the consumer price index, there's the producer price index, there's personal consumption expenditures, and there's the GDP price deflator. I do cover the differences in these in both the PowerPoint and it is covered in the textbook. Specifically, why don't you look at slides, I believe they're 55. Let me double check, hold on. Yeah, if you look at slides 50 through 55 in my PowerPoint and look at my video lecture, it helps you answer question number 5 with no problem. Now question number 6, that just asks you to know what the word nominal is when it comes to nominal income as opposed to real income. Question number 7, direct and important microeconomic consequences of inflation include the following, and I have you look at income effects, wealth effects, cyclical effects. Specifically, you could refer to slides, let me see, you could look at slides 20 to 30 in my PowerPoint for this chapter, and that will help you answer question number 7. Here, the statistical agency in charge of calculating CPI, well, that's going to be easy for you because in question what is it? Question number 10, I have you go to the website that that has the CPI information. So that's going to help you answer question number 8. So this data hunt question, I have 2 data hunt questions, questions number 9 and questions number 10. Here I'm going to have you go to the CPI home, and then I want you to click on questions and answers and find out something about how often CPI census is conducted. That's pretty straightforward. You should be able to find that information from the information I've given you here. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Here, this data hunt question number 10 is similar to the data hunt question in the last chapter. You could see here, I have you go to bls.gov, locate the latest numbers section. So I'll go over to the website and show you. So bls.gov right here, latest numbers is right here. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see what you're looking for. There's the consumer price index right there under latest numbers. And you're going to be able to manipulate what you see in the same way you manipulated the data in the data hunt in the last set. So you just go to the latest numbers, and then you could adjust the year to get to the 1 month percentage change of 2012. So let me just go over to there and show you. So you're going to click on this little icon right here. Hold on, let me move this over. Right here, right? This is next to CPI. And you could see here, what we have is this is, by default, it's the 1 month percent change, which is exactly what you want. And if you don't see your month that or year here, you could adjust how far and back in time you go. You click go, and you'll see the data that you need right here. So that should help you answer all these questions in this set. Again, go through them. Any sort of confusion, you could bring it up at my office hours tonight, or just send me an email. Good luck.